Hey YouTube, so we are doing an Omaha steak unboxing, so let's check it out. You can see the plastic is a bit challenging. Okay. Alrighty, what do we have here? Turn it this way. Would that work? Original 1917 steak and gourmet food. Alright, let's what's in here? Alright, this looks like, does it say what it is? It doesn't say what it is. It doesn't say what it is. You know, this is beef. But it would be nice if it said what it was. Maybe this is, oh, maybe this is pork chops. So it's definitely for my husband because I do not eat pork. Alright, so that's beef, steaks, and pork chops. Okay, what's this one here? It's the same thing. How do we open this one? This right here is okay, this right here is the country steak. Chicken fried steak. There we go. There's a name for it. Chicken fried steak. And it's about 4 of these in here. So you know we gotta test it out in our new wave oven. Alright, what's this here? It doesn't say. Let's open it up. Chicken. Looks like chicken, right guys? Chicken. Alright, so it's about 4 chickens in there. Alright, what's this one? Let's open it up and find out. Oh, you know, these are burgers. I guess these need no introduction. Okay, so these are burgers. And it looks like 2, 4, 6, 8 of these. Alright, what's this here? Oops, sorry. Dropped it. Alright, so let's see. These are, oh, those, what is caramel apple tartlet. 4 ounces, and it's about 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. And these are potatoes. See if I can make that clear for you. Okay, so these are our potatoes. 4 of those. Alright, what else is in here? Okay, so these are, did I say what they are? No, I have no idea what this is. You think it's more steak? It's only 2 of them. Maybe you don't know what that one is. We'll look it up. There's two of them, so we'll look it up. Okay, so that's that, dry ice. Okay, what is it? Alright, these look like meatballs. And that's what they say. Right there. 12-ounce meatballs. There we go. How many come in there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's 12 meatballs. Okay. And I think that's a dry ice. This right here is a seasoning. It should be 2 of these in here. I only see 1. And I don't want to touch the dry ice. Where my gloves at? Well, I guess it's just 1 seasoning. It said it was 2 in that box. Alright, so let's... Alright, so I guess that's it. We're going to try it on our new wave oven. So I got another box waiting for me to open it. But that's it for that. Alright guys, so that is our Omaha Steaks unboxing. Can't wait to try it out on our new wave oven, the Primo. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed it.